This is her family sitting right over here, and I'll let her introduce them in just a minute, but we're going to let our special guest from MBE come on up and make a presentation to Ms. Tutor, so we're going to ask you to go to the stage.
Good afternoon, Mooreville Elementary School. I am Dr. Chancey Ford. I'm the Director of Counseling at Mississippi Department of Education. I have my colleague here, Miss Kathy Mangum. We are here this afternoon to celebrate Miss Belinda Tutor. She is the first person in the state to be recognized as the School Counselor of the Year. Mississippi Department of Education currently only recognizes a teacher, a principal, and a parent. So this is very special and important event to recognize the School Counselor of the Year. First, we have a certificate that states that Mississippi Department of Education recognized Belinda Tutor for the 2021 School Counselor of the Year for her hard work, dedication, and loyalty to the students of her school through the field of counseling. We appreciate you, the great work that you're doing for your students and your school and your community. So please keep up the great work.